In the tiny Transylvania town of Dej, a humble chassid waited 3 whole days in line to see the new Rebbe, Rabbi Moshe Panet. Rebbe, when your father, Reb Mendel, was alive, I never waited a minute. I'd walk right in. Are you greater than your father? No, my son. Let me tell you what happened when my father reached heaven. Mendel, you were a hidden tzaddik. You could have blessed thousands, performed miracles, lifted souls. Yet you held back. You must return to fix this. I didn't know my strength. Humility blinded me. Please let me stay. Give the power to my son Moshe. That's why the line is long. My father's unused blessings now flow through me, and I must give them. Humility is holy, but hiding your light robs the world. The Bible says in Isaiah chapter 60, verse 21, V'amech kulam tzadikim, and all thy people are saints. Every Jew is a potential miracle worker. Don't wait for heaven to scold you. Bless someone today. Drop a blessing in the comments for someone watching. Like and subscribe for more Hasidic fire. Hier zie je in de